fuck?
Welcome back, lads and ladies, to another Airsoft video. Today you join me and the gimpy Ghillies at the first and only Airsoft base. Most of our team decided to go for the main objectives, while me and the gimpy Ghillie, known as Bishop, decided to cut off their spawn. Today I'm equipped with the Mimtech ghillie suit and the SSR4 from Norwich, which is a pretty shit gun, but it'll work. Enemies have been spotted up ahead, let's take them out.
Hey, they're behind the tyre. Behind the tyres at the back. Yeah, tyres all the way back left, back left. There was one just behind them. He might have been taken out, I can't see him at the moment. No, still there, still there. Got him. Oh, that's not good. Ah! What a shot. What a fucking shot. Hit!
While respawning, I met up with a watcher to accompany me on pushing deeper into the enemy lines.
That's slippery, Will. Yep, one in the middle is dead. Sorry, I just had to check if I'm shooting. There's one just on the far left one now. Oh, he's dead. Where? Just on the left? What, in the window? Dead, he's dead, he's dead. Will, second window in. Oh, the gunners count. Oh, good one. Yeah, gun it, so. Reese in front of you, peeking up to the left. No. Oh, you're right there, mate. Oh, this isn't good. How is he not dead? Yeah, come on, mate. Have a day off. Oh, fuck. Hit! Dead man! Oh!
After respawning again, I met back up with Bishop and the Watcher to recreate the gimpy Ghillies. We had a little cheater. He had a little sneaky boy sitting in the corner, god damn it.
What colour is he?
Oh yeah, so none of them fucking hit for that.
So we'll just rush in and get him. Everyone, start a line here. We're all just gonna rush in and get him. He's to the right, he's to the right. 3, 2, 1. Hit!
To me, this just is complete utter bullshit because we had 2 people swinging there, and I even pre-fired before I came in the room. So, yeah.
Wow, that is unbelievable. Yeah. Well, no one came with us, it was just us. I got that first guy. I shot him first. He decided to take his hit after we both died.
Yeah.
That guy should, you know, he should have been dead.
Yeah. I swung that point fucking blank and carried you.
I know.
None of those shots hit.
We shot one of them. We just shot one together. We both ran in. He only counted it after we got killed. Huh? There's just one. We only got one in there.
While on my evening stroll, I headed back into the main building, as that is where their commander was hiding.
Seconds to clear it. 10, 9,
Just all run down there.
8, 7, 6.
Just all run down there. All just run. Run. Oh my god.
Right, right, stay right here.
Why don't we all just run in?
Come out.
If you guys enjoyed
All of the
today's
people-
video, please leave a comment, subscribe,
Go
and
for it,
like
go
and
for
more.
it.
Here's also a sneak peek of the next
Really?
video. God
Wow.
damn it!
There's left. Oh my god. Oh. Good Teddy. Fuck. Let's get a close up of the bear's face. How do you fucking like it? Oh, he loves it. Oh my god.